Don't let a cold and dull wintry day dampen your enthusiasm for colour in your garden. In fact, there are plenty of cool season annuals that you can plant right now. So let's go and inject some colour into our gardens where they need it most. So pop in some pansies, some violas, and even some primulas. They're perfect in your garden at this time of the year. And I've got 3 different ways I love to use them. Why not bring some colour and life under bare deciduous trees with pansies and violas? Their cheery faces bring interest to an area that would otherwise look pretty dull and lifeless at this time of the year. Make your front door a showstopper by adding a pot full of colour to welcome visitors and to greet you every day. Now, to keep these bursting with blooms until spring, I like to fertilise them once a fortnight with some Eco Amino Grow. And this is loaded with all the nutrients they need to thrive over these cooler months. And for a bit of extra TLC, I like to pop in some Eco Seaweed as well. And that'll really help keep them thriving even when it's freezing outside. And my last tip, fill a hanging basket with cool season colour. Here I've got pansies, violas and primulas in bright, bold colours. And I love to hang them in a spot where I can appreciate them daily. So even on the coldest wintry days, these kaleidoscopes of colour are sure to cheer you up.